अमरीकी सरमायाकारों के वफ्द की इस्लामाबाद में इस वक्त सहाफ़ियों से गुफ्तगू जारी है। आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
Look, I think he may have been misled. I also would tell you, he personally told me there are a number of deep fake AI presentations on the internet that have been made out there about that it actually is not true or real at all. So he's been disappointed, but I think Mr. Grinnell, Ambassador Grinnell, has a very clear, defined view, and I think he supports everything we're doing in Pakistan.
This is Suhail Iqbal Bhatti, editor of North GTV News. Mr. General, you were the director of finance of Donald Trump's presidential campaign in 2016. Yes. It shows that you are very close to him. My question is, are you going to take any important role in current government?
In 2016, I had the blessing of serving President Trump. I was along with Tommy Hicks, I was the finance co-chairman for the campaign, and it was an incredible, life-changing experience for me. We have the most amazing president in the world, in America, and his ideals, his tenacity, his hard work ethic, I can only dream to match what he does on a daily basis. For me, I'm a businessman. I'm not a politician. The same reason I'm back here, just when I was here a couple weeks ago, getting stuff done. I'm not here to talk. I'm here to do. So I have no plans to take an active role in the administration whatsoever. My plan is to be the person in the field getting stuff done, working to deliver the economic diplomacy that America needs to bring to the whole world. And for me, Pakistan is one of those very unique opportunities that's been overlooked, and we hope to build a bridge. Because look, when you build a bridge in business, the government stuff becomes very easy. You know, when you have a reason to care about a place, a love of a place. I mean, the people I've met here are some of the best ever. They care about family values. You know, they care about having a job and working hard. They deserve the opportunities that the rest of the world is given. And your leadership here, from the time I've spent with them, believes that so strongly. They want to do whatever it takes to lift all the people up here. We're even talking about in our housing businesses, you know, we're bringing new technologies here with our partner to build low and middle income housing as well as the super high-end luxury housing on a scale that's incredible. This same technology, tunnel development, has been used in Turkey by President Erdogan very, very effectively. We want to bring the same technology here, use it in Pakistan, where you can build the structure of an entire 30-story building in a month. It's absolutely incredible. Very safe, very high-end feeling. And we're going to use that same technology here on the real estate side. And we're just trying to find the best avenues because we want as many Pakistanis as possible to be homeowners. Your finance minister is doing everything they can to bring interest rates down. Obviously, interest rates have just started to come down here. That's so important. You know, one of the things that's made America great has been the ability of everyday Americans to own homes and accrete value in their homes over time. That same opportunity, that same financing needs to come to Pakistan, and we're going to help that occur.
Hi, this is Anika Nasari, RY News anchor person. I welcome you to Pakistan firstly because it is certainly a land of opportunity, a land where foreign direct investment would change the lives over here, at the same time would change the lives of the investors at the same. First question would be, the political environment. I've heard you 3 times praising this government, that this government and you are pretty aligned in the investment sector. Do you think the people around in the government, as one was mentioned, Richard Grinnell, and there are many others that have tweeted, you said that there were many AIs and deep fakes about him. Could a tweet be a deep fake as well? Because that was a tweet that was done from his account, and there were many other accounts that tweet.
अमरीकी सरमायाकारों के वफ्द की इस्लामाबाद में सहाफ़ियों से गुफ्तगू जारी थी। जेनेटरी बेच का कहना था कि हम पाकिस्तान में मदनिया, तवानाई और रियल एस्टेट में अरबों डॉलर की सरमायाकारी करना चाहते हैं। पाकिस्तान में मुख्तलिफ शोबों में सरमायाकारी के वसी मौक़े हैं।